Okay, good morning, class. Now we want to learn about integers, rational numbers, and real numbers. What are those things? So let's go. What is negative number first? So negative number is a part of the integers. Okay, so integers is the numbers that consist of positive numbers above zero or on the right side of the zero, and zero itself. Zero is neither positive nor negative. So this is not positive nor negative. And negative number is the number that is below zero. Okay, so zero is a neutral number. What is neutral number? It is not positive nor negative. That's how I can explain. So negative number are exist, yeah, but exist limited. How can I say limited? Because we never know about negative 5%, right? Negative 5%, no. But if I say negative 5 degrees Celsius, it exists on North Pole or South Pole. And then we have also -3 movement, means I move 3 to the left. Yeah. So that's how we learn about the integers of the negatives. Okay. Next. A fridge keeps food cool, and the temperature inside is usually around 5 degrees. On the chiller part, this is chiller part. Chiller. And on the freezer part, it is always below to zero because it has to freeze the water. Okay, the water becomes solid state. So ice, liquid becomes ice. So the temperature inside is usually around -15 degrees. So -15 or -15 is a negative number. Okay, so it can be shown as a vertical part, go up positive, go down negative, or horizontal part, go right positive, go left negative. So up and right is positive, and bottom, go down and go left is negative. Okay, this will be our explanation and our thing to make it easy. Okay, up right positive, down left negative. Okay, next. So this is the sign of integers. We start from negative infinity, that we never know about what kind of number is infinity, until -3, -1, -1, -3, -2, -1, 0, and go right 1, 2, 3, and to infinity. Okay, so if you watch Toy Story, to the light years. See? So to infinity. Okay, so this is goes on forever, infinite. Integers. Integers consist of negative number, zero, and whole number. There you go, positive. So zero and positive is considered as a whole number. What is whole number? Whole is utuh, full. Full start from zero. No or more. Negative is not a whole number. Negative integers is negative itself. We don't have to think about whether negative is a whole number. No, negative number is an integers. Whole number start from zero. Okay. So O is origin, not oh sorry, zero is origin, neither positive nor negative. Okay, that as I said before, and left negative, right positive. Number line. Okay, this is called number line. The blue part stands for positive. The yellow, the red color stands for negative. So far, do you have any question?
Mr.
Yes.
What the thing can be other than temperature, right?
Oh, of course. It cannot. It not only about temperatures, but
Yeah.
also movement. Right. I go left by 3 units, so 3 meters, so -3 meters. Right.
I've seen this one somewhere.
What is it?
When last time when I want to post something here, there's the thing.
Oh, what is negative? Except temperature. Do you think? Do you know what is the other thing except temperature yang bisa negatif?
Like dark to light.
Dark to light. Okay, dark is zero. In my opinion, this is you can discuss about this later. Dark is zero. Light is the existence of the light. The light is the existence of photon, we call. So dark is not negative. But how about the depth of the water? So,
Yeah.
for example, oh wait, I want to draw with the neutral color. Let's say dark blue. So this is the sea, this is the sky. So I have an airplane here. Good question, Karin. And I have a submarine here. Okay. So this is the ground, right? So this is the what you call sea level. Airnya ya, ada ombaknya di sini. So we can consider the height of the plane is positive because the sea level is 0. This is, let's say, positive 1,000 feet or 1,000 meter or 1 kilometer above the ground, above the sea level. And this can be says that nggak sampai 1,000 nggak mungkin ya. There is no such things that can, kecuali yang well designed submarine. Ini for example minus 300 meter itu. Oh, negative number exists sea level. Okay, bisa juga not only temperature. Okay, good question.
About the movement, like when you dig underground, it's also minus, right?
There
But
you go. When you go up, when you go upstairs, so it's positive. When you go downstairs, it's negative. Depend on the zero.
It's like playing Minecraft. Plus, there's also the thing.
Minecraft, okay. I don't play Minecraft, but I know how it is played. But I'm not interested because the graph is so bad. Kotak-kotak doang kan.
Lol.
Square. Oke, lanjut ya, next ya. So fraction. We learn also positive and negative fraction, but we know that we have a proper fraction. Proper fraction means kan kita ada ND ya, N over D, numerator over denominator. Oke. Numerator yang atas, denominator yang bawah gitu aja. ND, N over D. Okay. So proper fraction means the numerator is always less than the denominator. And improper fraction when the numerator is more than, sih atasnya lebih gede dari yang bawah. Numerator is more than denominator. I think you learned this already in primary, right? Good. And mixed number is obtained by the changing of improper fraction. For example, negative 11 over 5. So this is improper. So you can change into a mixed fraction. Okay, how do you do this? 11 divided by 5. So you ignore the negative first, and then you put 2, and then 10, you can put 1. So this is the remainder. So the negative 2, and the remainder is 1 over the divisor. That's it. So this is equal to this. Okay, so you have to change from improper.
Oh, I remember.
Good. So improper and mixed fraction are two equal or equal numbers, right? You can change this. See, but proper fraction you cannot do anything any more workings. So let it be. Ya, didiemin aja kalau proper fraction. Kalau improper
kayak mixed number itu ya, mixed number kali mixed number gitu.
That's it. Ya, jadi pokoknya yang you tahu numerator itu lebih kecil dari denominator kalau proper. Kalau ini numerator more than denominator. Kalau ini the changing of the mixed number. Okay, any question?
If mixed number to improper fraction, right? The mixed number 2 times 5 then plus 1.
That's right. So itu terbaliknya ya. So kalau Karin bilang 3 1 over 2 over ya 5. How this is a mixed number, right? So how do you change into an improper fraction? Bawah.
3 times
5.
3 times 5 divided by
15 plus 2. 17.
Jadi gini ya caranya ya. I give you the idea. Times and plus. Yeah. So that's how you do. 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Over 5. Udah taruh aja.
Oh.
I think this is more easy. Yeah, good. So yang lupa ingat-ingat lagi again. If I have 7, 3 over 8, what you can do, ingatnya gampangnya gini, gambar. Arrow, ini times, ini tambah. 8 times 7, 56, right? 56 plus 3?
59 out of 8.
Nice. 59 bawahnya harus sama 8. Okay, that's it. Simple ya, jadi gampang, nggak susah-susah banget.
What is the difference between proper, improper, and mixed?
Okay, proper fraction means the denominator is more than the numerator. Yang tadi atas n over d. N-nya yang lebih kecil, n is less than the bottom part, right? So you cannot change this into a mixed fraction at all. Okay, improper fraction when the denominator is less than the numerator. Oh, you can look in different ways. Sama aja ya, ini sama. Ini juga sama. Numerator more than denominator. See the number 11, 5, 3, 2, 4, 3 inside of the negative. So you have to put out the negative first. 5, 4. And in this case, we can change into the mixed number. Mixed number is mixing between the fractions and the whole number, right? And then integers. Okay. So, understand, Kimi?
Yes, but
okay.
Like, why is it negative? Like, I don't know. I don't understand. Like the negative, like. Yeah.
Oh, negative number is something that is less than 0. So if you want to look at the negative 2, 1 over 5. So in this number line, negative 2, 1 over 5 is about here. Okay, it's about here. Negative 2, 1 over 5. Or if you want to change into a mix, into an improper number, first thing, set aside the negative. Dipindahin dulu negatifnya, jangan dilihat dulu, tutup dulu ya. Tutup dulu. Ingat ya, ada negative, keep aja dulu. And you do the working. 5 times 2 plus 1. So 11 over 5. Again, tadi kan ada negative, put the negative. Got it, Kimi? How is it, Kimi? Is it understandable?
I think.
Okay. We may continue ya. So if you want to change into mixed to improper, if we have the negative, negatifnya dipindahin dulu, dibuang dulu sementara ya, for a while. Okay, now from the given number list the number that are positive, negative, positive numbers. Oh wait, positive integer, negative integers, positive number, and negative numbers. What is the difference between integers and numbers? Here, integers is only integers, no fraction. Okay, integer is not a fraction. And numbers, kalau numbers lebih luas, dia bisa fraction, bisa integer. Oke. Oke, coba kita lihat. Positive integer cannot be fraction. Mana yang positif tapi yang bukan fraction? Ya, 2013 taruh. Ada lagi 6, right? Positive and whole number. Ingatnya gitu kalau integer. Ada lagi no more. Now, negative integer. Negatif yang no fraction, right? Kalau integer ingatnya gitu, no fraction. So, negative, no fraction. Negative 5. Negative 17, right? Negative 3.8 nggak boleh, soalnya dia fraction pasti decimals kan. Ini fraction, decimal and fraction are two same thing. Okay, now positive numbers. Numbers can be both. I use another color, blue. Positive number. Ini juga number loh. Ya, so again, lu tulis lagi, nggak apa-apa, double. And then ini positive, see, 1.666, 1.666 decimal, and then 3 over 4 positive kan, fraction, and then no more. 6, lupa, hampir aja. Get it? So we can answer both. Positive number, so, jadi gini, positive integer is also positive number. Negative integer is also negative numbers. So last one, negative number. I use the purple. Negative number, negative half. Lupa, negative 5, right? Yang penting negative and can be anything. Negative 3.8 and negative 17 and negative 2 over 3. Okay, 0, neither nor. Nggak ada di sini semuanya. Kalau 0 nggak boleh ada. Okay, you may. Oh ya, I ask. Nggak deh, I copy aja. Nanti kirimin ke file ini ya, file di WhatsApp, di Words dulu, Microsoft Word, ini explanation-nya, nanti saya kirimin lagi semuanya. Oke, next.
Just screenshot all of them.
Ini ya, nggak apa-apa, nggak usah. Nanti kirim PDF-nya biar lebih enak. Kalau screenshot itu capek, nanti save lagi, pindahin lagi. Oke, sama ya jawabannya. Now, word problems. This is a simple word problem. The coldest temperature ever recorded in Korea was 43.6 degrees Celsius below zero in the winter of 1933 at Junganjin. Okay, so represent this temperature using a negative number. Wah, piece of cake. 43.6 below zero. Jadi jawabannya either negative 43.6 or negative 1933. Which one is the right answer? Yang mana?
43.
Why?
Because if 1000, everyone will freeze in 1 second.
Okay, and also the question is in asking you the temperature. So 1933 ini salah, ini kayak wasted aja gitu. So this is the trap, jebakan aja. Kadang-kadang dia bisa jawab negative 1933 loh. Kan dia bilang temperature. They ask you the temperature, so ini jawabannya. So don't get confused about that. Just make all the possibilities. Oke, benar ya, negative 43.6. Now, the lowest point on Earth on the dry land is the shore of the Dead Sea, which is 423 below the sea level. So represent this altitude using a negative number. Below sea level, yang tadi ya, yang Karin bilang ya. If you dig down, you will get negative. Negative 423, as simple as that, right? I think I don't have to copy this. I don't have to copy this to your to the explanation because it's quite simple. Now, in a quiz, 1 point is deducted for each of the incorrect answer. What is deducted? Dikurang ya, diturunin. Ya udah negative 1. That's right. And deficit, loss itu hilang. Lagi negatif. Cuman kayak latihan-latihan simple aja ini. Very, very simple. And you don't have an effort to do this, right? Benar ya? Next number line. So, negative 2 is the sign. 2 is the absolute value. And the notation is show how they compare, right? So A equals B, A yang ada jiggle-nya gitu, kayak worm gitu, kayak cacing, approximately equal, mirip sama, hampir deket, ya. More than, less than, more than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Okay, so this will be the notation and the meaning. This is the wordings. Okay, I don't think you need to learn this too much because I know that you already mastered this. Now, fill this. Negative 7 and negative 2. So you have to put on the number line. Where is the negative 7 located? It's on the left side of negative 2, right? Because this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So which one is the smaller? Negative 7 or negative 2? This is negative 7 is smaller. No, 7 is bigger than 2. But if you deal with the negative, it's so different. Yeah. So if 7 more than 2, this is right. But if negative 7 and negative 2 being compared, you know that negative 7 is further from 0 and is far left of 0. So you have to put less than. Okay, this is small. This is bigger. And this is positive and negative. If you deal with positive and negative, it's very, very simple. Positive is always bigger, right? Because positive is on the right side of the other.
Mister,
Yes.
I understand, but what's about the thing here? The thing, not this one.
Ini ya, ininya.
Yeah, that's the most.
Oh, I see. Here. So this will be bigger, smaller, less than, right? So this will be, if you say this, A, B. So you can say that A is bigger than B. But if I change the sign, A, this B, so A is less than. Jadi yang ada 1 point itu yang kecil berarti yang sedikit ya. Ini yang kecil, ini yang gede ini. Buka mulutnya. Nah, so B is bigger kalau Pac-Man-nya ya. B is bigger than A. A is less than B. Facing the smaller part, ya, right? Facing ini arahnya ya, arahnya smaller part ya, jadi B-nya yang small. Oke, I want to erase this. Ngerti kan? Ya, kita udah tahu ya positionnya. So A bigger than B or A more than B. If you want to read oppositely, B less than A, sama aja, no problem. Okay, B -6 and -100. So -100 is far left of the -6, right?
-6 is bigger.
Bigger, that's right. So you face the bigger side. I mean, the mouth is on the bigger side. Kalau Pac-Man, ingat selalu pakai Pac-Man biar lebih gampang.
Yeah.
Oke. Next. Oh, ini copy dulu ya. So we are comparing the negatives and the integers. Okay, go next. So 1.666 is here, and -5 is here. Ya, gampang ya. -5 is here. Done. 4 is here. We are done. 0, ya udah enak banget. 0 is here. But we deal with the -1.5. -1.5. So it's here. Okay. -1.5. And 1.666 udah selesai. -3.8. So this is the idea. -3.8 is nearer to 3 or nearer to 4. Dekatnya ke siapa?
Near to 4.
Why, Leon?
Because
It's above
3.8.
Deket 4 ya, that's right. So gampangnya lihat ya, -3.8. If -3.5, you pas di tengah-tengah. Ini kan -3.5. Jadi -3.8 ya di sinilah. Kira-kira ya. Here. And then 3/4. Where is 3/4 located? It is between 3 or 4. Dekat mana? 3 or 4?
3.
Salah. 3/4 di sini. Ya. Okay, get it? Yeah, nearer to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 3/4. Okay, pay attention ya. This is a fraction. So 3/4 is in between 0 and 1. Not 3 and 4. Kalau di sini 3 something, 3/4 maybe. Right? Hati-hati ya. So don't get confused.
Oh ya.
whole number.
Whole number. Ini namanya proper fraction. Oke. Copy lagi. Yang whole number nggak usah arrow-in ya, gampang ya, arrow-nya bawah, nggak usah lah, wasting time. Oke, next. Udah. Oke, this is exercise 2A later, nanti saya kirimin, tenang aja. We continue to exercise 2B. Now we deal with the order of operation. This is the operation of the whole number. We do the addition and subtraction only. Oke. Jadi artinya kita belajar cuma tambah kurang ya, not the other. Addition and subtraction. So we know that plus with minus becomes minus, right? Jadi kalau gini, plus minus, minus plus, plus plus, and minus minus. Ini bakal jadi positif, ini bakal jadi positif, ini negatif, ya. Okay, have you learned this in your primary school, guys?
Yeah, I think I feel like I already learned it.
Okay, I just repeat it one more time, so biar nggak lupa aja. So kalau plus jadi minus, plus dapat minus, jadinya minus. Tuh. Kalau ini -7 plus 4 biarin aja. Saya tulis ulang. Yang double saya ini ganti. Plus minus jadi minus. Pokoknya kalau tandanya beda ya, different sign, it always producing the negative. 3, 5. -6, apa ini? Plus ketemu minus jadinya minus lagi ya. 8. 27 plus ketemu minus, minus lagi. Ini nggak bisa diapa-apain, let it be. You don't have the double sign. Ini ada double-nya. 14 minus 16. Ini 12 minus 15. -12 minus 15. I give you the simplest idea ever I found. Ya, yang pernah dapat nih cara yang paling cepat dan paling enaknya. You lihat. 9 minus 2 biasa ya. 9 subtract 2, 7. Nah, yang ini nih, -7 plus 4. Yuk mikirnya gini, -7 itu apa sih?
Berarti -3.
How do you think, Leon? That's right. Kenapa bisa
Because The more smaller the number, the more bigger.
The value, right?
Iya.
Bisa sih bisa. Tapi ada cara yang lebih cepat. Negative 7 itu kayak you pikirnya kalau negatif itu utang atau bayar ya. You have to pay something. You have to pay 7, but you only have 4. Masih kurang kan? Benar nggak? Kurang berapa? 3.
Negative.
Iya, that's it. Terus ada lagi 3 ya. You have 3 value. You have to pay 5. Pay. Ingat negatif itu pay. Cara gampangnya aja. You harus bayar 5. Punya 3 bayar 5. Bisa nggak? Nggak bisa kan? Utang kan?
Bisa.
Utang
Ada kembalian.
Iya, nggak bisa kan you punya, you have to pay 3, you harus bayar 3. Uangnya 3, you bayar 5. Nggak bisa dong. Minus 2. Jadi kurang 2 gitu. Ya, lack of 2. Right? Nah, ini yang negatif. You have to pay 6 and you have to pay 8. Jadi pay-nya jadi 14, right? You add the numbers. Get it? Jadi total payment-nya. Ingat pay itu negatif, get itu positif. Now you have the money 27, you have to pay 13. Ya, very simple, 14. Okay? Now, yang F ya. Ayo mikir bareng ya. You have to think with me and go with the flow. You have to pay 25, but you only have 11.
Minus 14.
Iya.
Gampang ya. Jadi you harus berutang 14 gitu. Nah, you have 14, you have to pay 16. Kurang duitnya, kurang 2 gitu.
Kurang 2.
Ya. You have to pay 12, pay again 25. So you have to pay. That's cool. 27. Gampang ya. So ingat kalau negatif itu pay, kalau positif itu you have or you get. Okay, pay itu bayar, you harus gini kayak gampangnya. You have 3, you pay 5. Oh, misalnya gini, you ada uang $3. You harus bayar $5. Kurang 2 gitu ya mikirnya ya. Or just find the difference between that two numbers. Okay. Yes, Kimi?
I don't understand the right part. But like positive plus positive equals positive.
Oh, this is the rules. The rules for the operations. Okay, double sign ini kan double nih. Kalau double becomes negative. Double sign yang difference ya, positive with negative jadi negatif. Okay, ini juga positif negatif. Ini semua kebetulan positif negatif ya. So just change it. Yes.
So when there's that curve thingy, so we need to change it if there's a curve thingy. I can know what's its name.
Sorry, can you repeat? I cannot hear well. Boleh diulang nggak, Karin? Oh, if there is the bracket ya, if there is the bracket sign, okay. Sama aja.
Yes, so we must change it to minus if there's a plus and minus.
Ya, ini kan nggak ada bracket ya, jadi nggak apa-apa sama aja sih. Ya, ini kan yang number 15 nggak ada. Ya harusnya dia kasih bracket juga no problem. So not a big deal whether you use the bracket or no. Okay, it's not a big deal. Okay, copy dulu ya. I want to copy and then I want to send this to your WhatsApp. To the Word. Jadi yang kanan ini apa, Kimi? Rules-nya. Ya. Okay, next. Nah, this is the answer. Okay, now the temperature of a town in a particular night is -8, and in next morning the temperature rises +2. Find the temperature in the morning. You have
-6.
That's right. Jangan sampai -10 ya. This is wrong. Karena -8 plus 2, -10. Wrong. You have to look at the number one by one and in order. Okay, so -8, you have -8 and then you rises by 2. Kalau you mau pakai number line boleh. Number line -8. Ini kan 0. Naik 2. Berarti -6 gitu ya. Atau you have to pay 8 and you have to pay 8 but you have only 2 money, right?
Yeah.
2 for the money, so -6.
That's what I think.
Ya gampangnya gitu ya, pakai money aja udah paling enak. So I don't think I have to copy this. So udah dapat. Another word problems. See, again I have to put this. Ini jadinya plus, ini negatif. Yang tadi yang Kimi tanya, ini negatif, ini positif. So if we meet the double sign, what you need to do? Change. 9 plus 2. Right? Nothing. Biarin aja. Kok double? And then double sign, minus minus. Oh, ini semua minus minus. Okay, good. Minus 3 plus 5 because negative with negative becomes plus. Plus 6. Biarin. Plus. Oh, ini gampang. Biasa aja. Yes? Ada yang mau nanya?
No.
Okay. Next, negative 14 plus.
Minus 14 plus.
Sir.
Yes, Kimi?
So it works only if there's like the bracket, so it's minus.
Not only bracket, but kalau gini juga bisa nih, Kimi. Nah, ini double
Just
sign kan?
Just ignore the bracket.
Iya. Kalau ini double sign juga, so negative 3 plus 5. Sama aja ya, it's the same. So when you deal with the double value or double sign, okay?
I get it.
So if you have bracket or no bracket, still, if you get the double sign, you have to change it first before you finish the question. Ini biasa. Ayo, satu orang ya, ayo sebut nama ya. Langsung jawabin ya. I kasih waktu sekitar 2 menit dulu. I give you about 2 minutes to think about this. And I will pick randomly. And I will stop this first. Pause during. Okay, so this is for the answer for the previous, for the workings just now. You have to think about the sign. Double sign will create this. Plus becomes plus minus becomes negative. Minus plus becomes minus. Minus become plus. So with this kind of rule, you can find all the answers easily. Okay, next. This will be the difference. So what is the difference? Difference is always the greatest minus the smallest. So I think I need to copy this to your to the word. Next. See, there you go. That's the answer. I already sent this to LMS, so you can access it. Okay. C is located on the top of a hill, which is 314 above the sea level. Above the sea level, this is the sea level. So this is 314. And tourist attraction D lies at the bottom of the valley, which is 165 below the sea level. So this is below the sea level. See, so this is negative 165. So find the difference in the altitude between the holiday resort and the tourist attraction. This is the resort. This is the attraction. Simple, big minus small. Big is 314, subtract with the small, negative 165. So 314 plus 165, 479 meter. The difference of the height, okay, the distance between two different altitude. Okay, I don't think I need to copy this because you have all on the slides here. See, done. This is exercise 2B. So we are done for our meeting for today. So you have about 30 about less 30 more minutes to do the exercises, and I think I need